welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss about the chat flow trigger under the WhatsApp bot. So let's get started. Simply, you have to refer to the trigger section and you get this option of chat flow trigger. So from this particular section, you will be able to trigger a particular chat flow with a particular keyword. Alright, so let's see how we can do it. So I will simply click on this add trigger keyword. Then I have to add a keyword here. Let's say help. That's the keyword for me. And I have an option if a customer says exact the same word or this word is contained in any of the sentence that the customer says. I can choose that. So let's say I want exact same word, and after that I can set a flow, which flow should trigger if a customer types this word. So let's say I want this e-commerce trigger, this e-commerce flow should trigger if the customers type help, and I will add that here, and I will simply click on add a trigger here. So this is added now. So if while interacting with the chatbot, if a customer is interacting with my default flow and the customer types help, so automatically the e-commerce flow will trigger and customer will start interacting with the e-commerce like you can say flow. So this is how you can add a particular keyword in order to trigger a particular chat flow. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you.